What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new adventure. That's right, we're back. We're back, baby. Tell your friends. We are about to embark on our first time headed to a hip camp. We're all virgins on this bus. That's right. Never been to one. The spots in Jersey have been like slim pickings. I didn't want to just give you guys any old boring site that you've seen before. So this time, we are headed out to Salem, New Jersey. I've never been there either. No, it's not Salem, Massachusetts. Trust me, I looked it up beforehand. I would have had a much cooler intro here and a lot of spooky stuff going on, but no. Salem, New Jersey. It's near the Philadelphia area. It is about a 2-hour drive, so I'm going to get going. Just sit back, relax, and crack open a beer. And we'll be there in a flash. Bam. That's cool. It's a horse farm. Look at those horses. Cannot wait. Well, we made it, you guys. It was a little bit of a long ride, but we are at the farm. It's actually a farm retreat, and it's really nice and peaceful. There is another site, like way down that way. Someone's supposed to be coming through here, who knows when. But it's hot. We're talking like 81 degrees. But you know what? I don't even care because I got my AC with me. That's the beauty of summer camp. I should have brought a solar panel with me too. I didn't know it'd be this open over here. But I'm gonna get set up, and we ordered some firewood, and we're gonna have the night fully prepared and ready. This is the first time at a hip campsite, and so far it is really cool, you guys. I'm going to show you the entire site, the entire area, the property, all that stuff. We did get permission to film, which is awesome. And oh wow, that's cool. There's like a horse right there coming to me. Yeah, I cannot wait. All right, it's gonna be great, you guys. I'll catch back with you in a couple of minutes. There we go, again, a couple of minutes. In a little while, I'll catch back with you. But let me just show you this. I'm gonna probably put the tent right here under the shade, right next to the fire pit, and then it's basically a riverfront site. How cool is that? Beautiful open farmland. I love farmland. Let's get it done and have some fun. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! You see the horse? Yeah, horsey. Oh, look at that. It's rolling in the mud. That is so cute. Oh, my son would have loved it here. Alright, you guys. It is time to blow up the tent. I decided to take the blow up tent today because I didn't want to waste my time setting up for hours on end. I knew it was going to be a long drive. I just wanted something quick, and I wanted something easy. So, here we go. probably even too much. I brought my comforter. I don't even think I'm gonna use it because it's hot. This is my camping blanket, as you guys can see. Hot here. Oh, it's very hot here, guys. At night, I think we'll be alright. I always have these cool little rides. Well, I think they're cool. If not, you can go. But this is one amazing thing to have. And I highly recommend it, you guys. This is the ecoflow Wave 2. It's an air conditioner. And as you can see in the bottom over here, it's running on battery power. Now, you could also plug it into a portable generator, power generator, gas generator, whatever kind of generator. And I have it vented out of my tent. It's going to pull out all the hot air. And I'm probably going to set this up and turn it on around maybe 7 o'clock at night or 8 o'clock. Because I'm not going to spend time in here right now because it's hot, got things to do. I am hungry because I didn't eat at all today. You know, that's normally how Jay is. He's excited for camping, and then I just get up early in the morning and I go. But these flies are annoying me, and I got to put the mesh screen down now. So, what's up, you guys? Well, we are finally all set up. We, for those of you who ask, are me, myself, and I. And sometimes Bob. But this trip, Bob said he didn't want to come. So it's just us three. The us three me's. I'm going to make a t-shirt that says that. Like Forrest Gump did. So I'm going to take you on a quick little stroll of the site. It's a beautiful farmland, as I told you earlier today. So this is site number 1 that I'm staying at. And let me just show you the tent really quickly. So this is the Crua core. You know, the air beam tent. I wanted something nice and quick because I knew the ride here would take a little bit. Definitely the furthest I've driven in a while for a campsite. I can't say it was the furthest I've driven in my tenure of camping. I believe I went all the way to Canada to camp. The host of this hip camp is really nice, actually, and I highly recommend coming here. That's my AC unit, the ecoflow Wave 2. It's very hot in here right now, so I'm not using it because I want to conserve my battery power. But no TV this time around. Want to enjoy the property and the environment and the nature around me, especially those horses that I'm going to show you guys in a few. This is a working horse farm. Here is the air beams as you saw before. You know, nothing's changed. I did forget to bring the reflective sheet because I didn't think it'd be this hot. But you know me, you always forget something. And oh, you're gonna love this. I actually forgot a very important thing, and that's a garbage bag. But don't worry, I have backups. You know, Jay, we always have backups. And of course, when I read the reviews, man, my face is a little blush. It's hot out. I think I got a suntan already. Look at that. I read the reviews. I read that the nearest bathroom is like a hike. And I'm not kidding this time, you guys. So, I really don't want to hike at night to go do number 1 or number 2. Number one, you know, you can just park it anywhere. Where you're driving, I'm not, but you know, park it anywhere. So, I didn't want to go anywhere. I just wanted to be in my own little area. And, because of that, I brought Porta-J. It is a lifesaver. It is a dream. It is everything that you could possibly have and want at your own little campsite oasis. I take it everywhere. I use it all the time. I highly recommend it if you don't want to go in those nasty urinals that the public grounds have that they never really clean. But crack open a beer because I'm done. I love this chair. This is the best chair to have, guys. This is called the Nemo Stargaze. It's a camping reclining chair. So comfortable. I highly recommend it. If you guys want something completely different than your standard fold-up chair, get the Nemo, you guys. It's comfortable. You can recline all the way back, which I'll show you later on. And it packs away like there's nothing there. It packs away in this nice little pouch right here. You can put it anywhere. Awesome little chair. The Anywhere chair. Here's the fire pit that I cannot wait to use. Oh, here's my beer. This is my favorite beer. This is Evil Twin Brewing Grape. Tastes like a grape soda, but it's beer. Let me just take you on a little quick walk. The owner said that's a site over there, but it's not really used. And then over here, there's another little table over here, or partial table, I should say. Half of it's gone, but that's alright. We got our table right over here. And there's my tent. There's my car. Gonna eat something soon, real soon. If you go through these barriers, the other site's on the other side. I probably should have checked it out before I took this one. But I love waterfront sites. And the fact that horses can come and hang out with me while I'm chilling, that's a plus right there. But look at this. I don't even know what river this is, but it is a river. I have to look it up later on when I get home. Enough with the boring stuff. It's time to have some fun. It's time to eat, and it's time to get the bun. Let me go find them horses. I think I see them. Oh, shh. I see them. I see them. I see them. Oh. That was an epic fail. Okay, let me get a little closer. Hi. You definitely did it better than I did. just beautiful. There are several Arabian horses and thoroughbred horses. And that's a mix. I guess that's where the term horse's ass comes from. Beautiful. I think they're supposed to get their nails done, which is what the owner's waiting to do. What's up, you guys? It is hot as hell out here, and I'm starving. Setup has been done. What else, guys? I went around, had a nice little tour of the horses. They're beautiful horses, gorgeous Arabian horses. I wish I could ride one. Maybe I can. Nah, probably break its back, like I keep telling you. But it's like 3:30. I'm hungry. I didn't eat all damn day like normal. So I'm gonna make myself a nice little charcuterie board. I have some meats and cheeses from my country, and I'm just gonna go sit and chill by the lake because the owner is still doing the nails for the horses. So the wood's not here yet. I don't even think I need it right now. It's like 80 degrees. The tent is probably 100. Look at that sun beating off of it. So, let's get chopping. Maybe I should have brought my shower too. Next time. You know, on these like short one-day trips, I don't really bring that much stuff with me. Make a nice charcuterie. What the fuck? You gotta be fucking kidding me. Alright, you guys. Gotta clean off this board. Because I'm not eating anything off of that. But give me a second, I'll clean it right up. Lather it up and down. Probably take a shower with this. I'll save that for later. That's for some dinner. So what we have in front of us is a variety of dried cured meat. This is called pastrama. It's like jerky, but this is better than jerky. I love this stuff. I eat this even over bacon. It's that good. This is like your modern day sausage, but it's cured. It's dried beef sausage called sucuk. For all my Turkish camping buddies, yes, I definitely have seen you guys eat sucuk, and one of my also favorites. And over here got some cow cheese and kaşar cheese. All right. Now it's important to cut the skin off. This outer layer, you don't eat that. See? Just like pepperoni. But this is better than pepperoni, you guys. You've probably seen me eat something like this when I had eggs for breakfast. wanted to get some garlic cheese, but the local store didn't really have it, so I tried something new. Why so many different cheeses? I like variety. You should know that by now. I'm not a very good charcuterie board decorator, but I am a very good eater. Man, it's blazing. It is blazing. I can feel that heat on my face. And I probably got a sunburn. The best part about camping here, I don't have to worry about bears. Yes, it might look like a lot of food, but remember, I've been driving all day, setting up most of the day, and I'm kind of hungry, so it's my first meal. If you guys have a Mediterranean store by you, and you want to try some of the stuff, you could also tell them pastrami, because pastrama kind of sounds like pastrami, and they'll know exactly what you're talking about. Well, this is my lunch. I'm starving. I'm a starving Marvin. Let me clean my hands. Let me get a nice another beer. Let me just go sit down and relax, because this boy is tired. Gotta conserve my water. I didn't bring a jerry can. I mean, this is probably just soap. You know what, you guys? It is so hot. I need to make myself a nice ice cold drink. A nice ice cold drink. How am I gonna do that? There's no 7-Eleven around here. Don't you worry. Jay always has a plan. Check this out. This is the ecoflow glacier. This is a 12-volt dual zone cooler, and I got me a fancy schmancy ice maker. Oh yeah, check that out. Alright, so let's pop it open. Let's dump in some water. Probably needs 2, well, since I drank half of that bottle. Alright. Man, I wish I had a garbage. Idiot. How did I forget the most important thing? Alright, let's see if it'll work. Alright, you guys, let's kick the tires and light the fires. Alright, in 20 minutes, gonna have me some ice. Uh-oh, 56%. Don't worry, I got a spare battery. See you in 20. Look at that little guy. Well, no, look at that guy. Little guy. Ha! You could probably kick my ass. I hear some beeping. Is my ice done? Is it? Let's check it out. Alright, let's see if it's done. Huh! Here we go. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, it's done. I guess it has to like de-ice itself in order to pull it out. Save that water for later. Oh, let's come over here. Oh, look at the little ice balls. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, here we go. Here comes the wood delivery and a fishing rod. Time to get fishing. Nothing like a nice ice cold Coke. Oh, ecoflow glacier. Highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested, but definitely get one because they're amazing coolers. They don't even need ice. They are 12-volt powered. This is a dual zone, so it can act as a fridge and a freezer. Well, you guys, it is time for our horse grooming session. That's right. At this hip camp, you can actually schedule events to have fun and make your stay better, which I find to be very cool. It was offered on the add-on page, and it was only like $15, and I'm actually excited to go do it. And the fresh eggs and herbs are ready, so I'm gonna go pick those up and start preparing some dinner.
We're gonna lock it up and he's gonna unlock it. Come on, boy. Let me give him some. Right here, boy. Good boy, you did it.
Very smart. Hi.
That's Thunder. He's Arabian, 100% Arabian.
He's beautiful. Are there any female horses or all male?
There's male and females on the other side.
Oh.
The males are mostly on this side, and these are all gelded, except for him. He's a stallion.
Can I pet him?
Sure. Let me measure a little hair. Well, we're gonna give him a nice bath. And so forth.
And how often do they get groomed?
In the summertime more often because they sweat more. But in the winter not so much because it's so cold. They could get sick. He likes baths. Some horses don't like baths.
Remember to wash your hands. Remember to wash your hands. Every time you've been around playing with friends, remember to wash your hands. Remember to wash with soap. Remember to wash with soap. When you wash your hands after blowing your nose, remember to wash with soap. And count to 20 at least. Count to 20 at least. Cover your cough and then wash your hands. And always count to 20 at least. Song. Remember to clean your nails. Remember to clean your nails every day before you eat your meal. Remember to clean your.
One side is done. Now it's time to do the horsey's other side. Not the back side. Not that side.
Remember to wash both tops and palms after you've been eating your meal. And count to 20 at least. Count to 20 at least. When you
And just like that, Figaro is all clean and ready to go. Let's see how good I did.
Good. Now we need to squeegee his.
Oh. Kind of like washing a car.
Yeah.
My son would love it here.
Yeah. Does he normally come camp with you?
No, he's a little too young.
Oh yeah.
And that I wanted to take him with me this time, but my wife was like, he's gonna be running around all day long.
Yeah. How old is he? 3,
4. And I'm like, oh, he's gonna love it though. How often do I camp on a horse farm? Never. He's like, next time.
We used to have bunny rabbits, and lots of chicken.
Hi. Hello. Camera shy. I get it. Alright, you guys. It's about 8 o'clock. It's like 75 degrees. It's time for a fire. And it's time for some dinner. Because Jay is hungry. All right, it's dinner time. Dinner time. Dinner time. I am hungry. I hope you guys can see me all right. I'm hungry. And tonight, on the menu tonight, we are having lamb chops. Lamb chops. What do you mean? You don't eat meat? Okay, I bring lamb. $5 says you can't tell me what movie that's from. I'll give you a camp out on me. If you can. No cheating. What do you mean? You don't eat meat? Okay, I bring lamb. Okay. Alright. Come on, baby. Let's dance tonight. See, everything is moving on me because the car's on like a slight little hill. So that's why it's like, oh well. I'm gonna fire the designer. Let me get my knife. Ooh, you see what I mean? You see what I mean, jelly bean? And I didn't even move the car. Ooh. Ah. Stay. New knife, Tecto knife. Awesome knife. Very lightweight. It's been working great so far. Now, don't give me that look, you guys. I'm not gonna eat the entire package. Although I didn't eat all day today, except for lunch. But no, I'm gonna have maybe 3 or 4. And let me try this new barbecue sauce that was sent to me. Maudes BBq. Let's see how well it tastes. Copy that, Maudes. Mmm. I should wash my hands. It smells so good. I think it's time to say goodbye, baby Ray, because Maudes is taking your place. You can find these guys online. They make all kinds of awesome sauces. Awesome sauce. Shish kebab. We're gonna have some lamb shish kebab. The way they put these things on, it's like the damn near impossible. 2 of these, 3 of those, I should be good to go. Save some for tomorrow, Daddy-o. That's right, tomorrow's Father's Day. I probably don't even need to put it, but whatever. I'm putting it anyway. Gotta have me some Maudes. It's the power of Maude. Oh, check this out. The hostess gave me some fresh herb. How cool is that? You don't even get stuff like that in a 5-star hotel. Alright. Garlic time. Remember, Wilsons, since there are no bears here, I'm really not going to make out with a horse and then become a horse's ass. So, garlic, baby. No, I don't need salt. Let's add some wood fire garlic because we are cooking on a wood fire. So much nicer with that sun gone. Oh, hang on. We got a little buddy here. Thunder. Hey, Thunder. Thunder. He's shy. Time to go set up the smoker. And that is it, you guys. All set and done and ready to burn. Easy go. Smoker. Get one. Can't say it enough. Dinner is underway. I like that little side thing over here that they have built. Pretty cool. You remember that? Awesome, nifty little portable smoker. Cool. The sun finally set. It's not brutal out here. And looking forward to a nice night. Smoked lamb. That is delish. Lish, lish, lish. Delish. And my beer. 2 beers. 2 beers for me. Because I'm groovy. Let me eat in peace. Wait. Gotta do taste test. On the Easy Go Smoke. Oh man. Oh. That's better than the burger. Got room for dessert though. Alright, let me eat. Well, you guys. Oh, look at me. I'm orange right now. I'm like a lobster. No. Like a salmon. I'm salmon faced. Well, you guys, dinner was great. It was so juicy on that smoker. I didn't even flip the thing. And, you know what? I think I deserve about an hour to relax. Alright, you guys. Gonna have me some dessert. And then I'm going to bed. You take the gram. Got the gram. Let's put that here. Then you take the chocolate. Then you put the chocolate on the gram. Tiny little piece of chocolate. But it'll do for me and you. Now you guys, you need a nice stick to put the mallow on. See? Mallow. Let that cook. And then you blow. Look at that. A flaming mallow. Blow out. Alright. I cheated. I had a mallow. Now, you take the mallow, you put it on the chocolate. Like that. Mmm. And then you scarf. Very good. It's time to get settled in. Because this old fart is tired. Dog tired. Good morning, you guys. It is Sunday, Father's Day. Had a good night's sleep. It dropped down to like 50 degrees, but the air conditioner was definitely a smart move. It kept me nice and fresh. It wasn't humid or anything. The noise level, not too bad at night. You know, less cars on the road. But I am so glad that I have these guys. These guys are decibel killers. I'll leave a link in the description down below. They're so small, they're so comfortable, they're so much more comfortable than my other earplugs. You don't even want to deal with that nonsense. You gotta twist it, you gotta turn it, you gotta shove it in and all that crap. You hear that? That was a rooster that's walking around. I haven't met the rooster yet, but I couldn't find the rooster walking around, but he's there. Every couple of minutes he does that call. And it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, 8:30-ish. It is like 80 degrees out. And I'm gonna do something a little backwards. I'm gonna pack up first, and then I'm gonna have me some breakfast. Because it is Father's Day. I think I deserve a nice leisure breakfast before I hit the road. Got a long drive home. But I had a fun time here. I had fun. I had fun cleaning the horse. I had fun petting the horse, talking to the horse, telling him about the channel and all that stuff. You know, the horse liked it. He kind of laughed. And it was definitely an experience. It could be a good place for your family if you guys want to come out here. It's a long drive where I am from. I live in North Jersey. This is all the way down by Camden, Philadelphia, Camden, Philadelphia area. So it took me about 2.5 hours, which is why on these long trips, you pack as light as possible. This way you don't spend your entire day setting up camp. If I was here longer, then I would take more stuff with me. But you know, you make do with what you got. Anyway, it's time to break down. Look at this. Look at how close they are. Look at these gorgeous little beauties. Look at them. Now you guys come when I'm about to leave. Oh, my son would have loved this. Hi. Well, you guys, we're all packed up. But now I don't want to leave because all the beautiful horses came to hang out with me. Now they come, right? Look. That's Figaro. I gave him a bath yesterday. Hi, buddy. See? They come right up to your campsite. I don't know any state park that offers this. That guy's an Arabian. I believe this is a thoroughbred or an Arabian. I'm not sure. Don't kill me on that one. And then, look at these little guys. If you guys have children or kids, you could ride on. They could ride on the pony. That's why I wish my son came with me. But you know, he's a little young. I don't think so, but you know. The wife was like, he's too young. Well, look at this. I was sitting here yesterday having a fire. And they're here. Ponying it up. Is that even a word? Ponying it up. Say hi. You're on YouTube. You're gonna be pony famous. Or not. This place is beautiful, you guys. I highly recommend coming here. Just for that alone. You can't get any of that in the state park. We'll do it the old-fashioned way. Bye-bye. Okay, you're shy. And you're eating. Bye. Bye-bye. Figaro. Bye. What a fun trip this was, you guys. This is a 5-star, 10-star place. I love it here. I'm definitely gonna come back. Say hi. Say hi to the world. Hi, world. And with that, bye-bye. See you on the next adventure.